Everyone, I'm Bill Davidson. I'm the facilitator of the iSTEM 3 class, and usually with iSTEM 3, by the time they get to that level, the students have the opportunity as a iSTEM 3 participant to do an internship, to be a class mentor, or do independent study. With the COVID-19 situation happening this school year, internships were just not available. And since we didn't come to school in the beginning of the school year and we have to make sure we social distance, being a mentor in a class wasn't exactly feasible either. So it really comes down to independent study and how we were going to deal with that. Well, one of the students in the class, Alex Hone, asked me if we could possibly still hold class and let them do independent research and maybe just meet at a different time than our regular class time. And I went about trying to figure out what to do with the guidance counselors and talking to a bunch of the other students that wanted to do this. And we determined that we were going to meet on Wednesdays at 10 o'clock, which was our asynchronous day. And so we had a fifth block on Wednesday from 10 o'clock till about 11:30 on a weekly basis. And these kids came up with ideas. They had to present these ideas to myself and a couple of others, and then get approval to be able to do their independent research on their different subjects. This year we had some really neat ideas come up, and we had a bunch of participants, and so we wanted to show off some of their work. So what we're going to do is we're going to we looked at all the possibilities, and we decided that the best thing to do this year was to have them make videos from home or wherever they could to show off their work. And these students made their own videos. So we're going to start off the iSTEM Symposium that we're having here with a video from Peyton Szymanski and Sterling Howard. They made a video game called The Sigil. After that, Alex Hone is going to share his enhanced Blackboard calendar. It was an idea he came up with, and a unique thing happened to Alex that we get to share in this. Randy DeVere is going to follow that with a delivery drone that he was working on all year long. Kinsley Morris and Allison Mellon are going to follow Randy. They made an amphibious megacar. Pretty awesome. And then Patrick Donovan made a hurricane shelter that could be deployed when we know a hurricane is coming. Really neat stuff. Nathan Thompson took on the challenge of creating a current turbine, which was just something to generate electricity using water currents and make it small enough that he could carry it around maybe in a backpack or something like that. Really awesome project that the kid took on by himself, and it really could have been an entire class project. It was really difficult. He did a great job on it. Finally, Alex Deneen made a robotic hand, and he's had the dream of making this robotic hand since he was a ninth grader, and this opportunity was the perfect opportunity for him. He actually signed up to take the CAD 2 class, which also works independently, so he could make drawings and 3D print and do all kinds of other stuff. He has his own 3D printers, and he's done some really cool things, totally worth watching. And then, as a special treat, at the end of our playlist that we're going to have here on YouTube, the iSTEM Aquatics class participated in the Space Center Houston's Water Filtration Design Challenge, and they won. They won the challenge. So there should be a couple videos at the end showing off their work. So I hope you enjoy yourself, and let us know what you think.